दीपक हमेशा से ही अपने देश से जुड़े रहे हैं। उनके मन में देश के क्या मायने हैं, आइए जानते हैं।
To me, country is as basic as the earth we are standing on. You know, if the country doesn't exist, we don't exist. I owe a lot of my success and almost everything that I have today to the country. Even though our country is much poorer compared to most of the advanced countries in the world, it gave me the very best education possible, that is in IITs. After investing so many of those precious resources in me, it allowed me to go to another country and work for myself and my personal benefit without asking me to pay back even a single rupee. To me, our country is like mother. You know, mother loves all its children no matter what they are and what they do. Mother loves all its children despite their flaws and still doesn't expect anything in return. There are very few countries like India which allow their citizens to take everything without any expectations of giving back.
दीपक के अनुसार विज्ञान को सिर्फ एक पढ़ाई का रूप न देकर उसे अपने जीवन का कारण मानना ज्यादा सही होगा।
According to me, science and technology is the right way of life. Not simply because it helps you discover new medicines or new vehicles or new technologies, but also because science and technology teaches you to think based on reasoning, logic and analysis rather than blind written principles or what somebody else tells you.
दीपक की जिंदगी से जुड़ा एक और पहलू है उनका परिवार, एक ऐसा परिवार जो दीपक पर गर्व करता है।
He was very fast reader. In fact, hardly there was any book left in Marathi which he has not read. So, and his this IQ level, intelligence, fast of grasping the anything was acclaimed by the school, and he was a practically or basically a pride of the school in whatever the classes he studied.
एक्चुअली वो रियली आइडियल था, यानी उसके स्कूल में मुझे आइडियल स्टूडेंट की मम्मी करके मुझे बुलाया गया था। तो वी आर वेरी मच प्राउड ऑफ हिम। किसी भी घटना का हम जैसे सोचते हैं ना, सबसे अलग उसका सोचने का तरीका होता है। मुझे बहुत एकदम ऐसा लगता था कि हम इतने दिन से सोच रहे हैं लेकिन हमारे मन में ये तो एंगल आया ही नहीं।
Deepak has given 100% importance to work. Not that he neglected the family life, and he is working each and every inch of his life towards perfection. And I mean, it is paying. I can see that it's paying, and I'm really, I wish him all the best.
At the time when we were kids, I would say he was very protective. Okay, towards me, very sharing, caring, loving, and very dedicated to his work, and very creative also. He's very creative, intellectually creative, I would say. That's how I think I would describe him.
Probably coming back to this country was something that he would have always wanted to do, apart from just thinking about it. He's one of the few people who after 18 years actually makes it a point to come here and start off life again. So that I think shows how patriotic he is.
देश को पूजने वाला इंसान, देश की उन्नति में सब कुछ लुटाने वाले इंसान के मन में देश की क्या परिभाषा है, आइए जानते हैं।
To me, Swadesh is the dream of Rabindranath Tagore, where he says, let my country awaken, where the head is held high and mind is without fear, where the clear stream of reason is not lost in the dreary sand of dead habits. The country which got birth at the hands of great people like Gandhi, Nehru and Sardar Patel. But today, it is an unfinished business after tremendous sacrifices by our last 3 generations because of corrupt politicians and incompetent bureaucrats.
वतन की याद जब पल पल सताने लगे, परदेश में दिन काटे नहीं कटते, और बस लौटने का मन करता है सरसों के खेतों में, आम के बगीचों में। स्वदेश के इस सफर में हमने आपको रूबरू करवाया कुछ ऐसे लोगों से जिन्होंने 7 समंदर पार अपनी काबिलियत का लोहा मनवाया और फिर ठानी अपनी कामयाबी अपने हमवतनों के साथ बांटने की। हमारे इस सफर में हम सफर बनिए और अपने सुझाव हमें भेजते रहिए।